Hey there, the new year is upon us and it's the perfect time to hit the reset button. We know you're looking to be healthier, stronger, or even just more energized this year. Setting realistic and achievable goals is key to your success. So, if you're ready to start 2025 on the right foot, let's talk about how you can prioritize your health, set the right goals, and restore your energy for the year ahead. Before we dive into goal setting, let's take a moment to reflect. 2024 might have been filled with ups and downs. I sure know it was for me. But this year, it's a fresh start. A blank slate, a blank page where you can write your story of health, strength, youth, and vitality. When it comes to health goals, it's easy to get overwhelmed. When it comes to setting any goals, it's easy to get overwhelmed, isn't it? You might be thinking, I want to lose weight, work out every day, eat perfectly. But here's the thing. Setting too many big goals, overwhelming goals right off the bat, can actually set you up for failure. That's right, you heard me. Setting goals too big can be overwhelming, set you up for failure. So what we want to do is focus on realistic, achievable goals that align with your values and your lifestyle. It's easy. Set up goals that align with who you are, what you desire, what you value, and your current lifestyle. Start small, be realistic, and be very specific. Start by thinking about small, specific changes that you can easily, notice the word easily, integrate into your routine. Maybe it's drinking more water every day or aiming to move your body for 20 minutes 3 times a week. These goals are clear, they're measurable, and most importantly, they are achievable. So, instead of focusing on these huge, abstract, goal like get fit, narrow it down. How about setting a goal to go for a 20-minute walk every morning? I love that goal. It's a great way to get moving, and it's just a great way to start your day off and start feeling good for your day. Or make a commitment to eating a cup of vegetables with every meal. That goal is achievable, it's realistic, it's measurable, literally a couple of vegetables every meal, right? And all of these small wins, guess what, guys? They add up to big wins. One often overlooked aspect of health is rest and recovery. It's easy to fall into a trap of thinking that being productive means always being busy. I've been there, you guys. I fall into that trap often. But the truth is that without proper rest, both physical and mental, you won't have the energy to maintain your momentum. That's why it's so important to balance your workouts and your healthy habits with recovery. Whether it's a good night's sleep, relaxation, or spending time outdoors, taking care of your body through rest, helps us to maximize. It helps you to stay energized, and it helps you to stay focused on your health goals for 2025. Make this a priority in your goal setting, okay? Energy levels can take a hit during colder months, especially up here in New Jersey. Who knows what I'm talking about, right? Sometimes, some mornings, guys, I get it. It's 32 degrees out there, 22 degrees out there. It is hard to get out of bed. And, in the colder months after the hustle and the bustle of the holiday season, many of us feel a little bit drained. Wouldn't you agree? So to restore your energy, start by nourishing your body with clean, wholesome foods. Eating a balanced diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains is the first step. Now, I get it. We're here in New Jersey. It's cold in the wintertime. We don't have a whole big variety of fruits and vegetables up here, do we? But what I always recommend is try to shop local and try to look for things that are locally grown in the climate that you're in. So one of my favorite ways to store energy is by starting the day out with a nutrient-packed smoothie. It's quick, it's easy, And it gives you that natural energy boost to start your day on the right note. It's not like that jolt of caffeine that you get from drinking too much coffee. It's just this natural feeling of being energized and feeling good. Incorporating a variety of whole foods into your diet, including fiber-rich foods like oats and leafy greens, will also help you to feel energized all day long. Those are carbohydrates, but they're slow burning carbohydrates, so they last a long time. Plus, staying hydrated with plenty of water keeps everything running smoothly. We don't want any of this fiber backing us up now, do we? Also, to go back to the shake, I love the thorn shakes. If you guys have any questions at all, ask me about the thorn shakes. They're really high quality. They're really good. Now, we can't talk about setting goals without mentioning mental health well-being. Okay, it's easy to forget to check in with our outcomes when it comes to our mental health, but taking time each day for mindful practices like meditation or deep breathing can help you feel grounded and reduce stress. Even just 5 minutes a day. Can you all find just 5 minutes? I think that you can. Even just 5 minutes of deep breathing or quick meditation session can make a world of difference. These moments of pause help restore your energy by clearing your mind, reducing anxiety, and improving your focus. I don't know about you guys, but I sure can use more focus throughout my entire day. One of the biggest hurdles we face when trying to be healthy is perfectionism. Who else out there? Put it in the comments. I know there's some other people out there besides me that tries to be a perfectionist. Don't fall into the trap of thinking that you need to do everything perfectly every single day. It's not going to happen. But what does count is your consistency, not perfection. So instead of saying, I'll work out every single day, maybe your goal is, I'll move my body 3 days a week. So start with what feels doable for you. And as you start to gain momentum, you can build on those small successes. It feels good when we hit our goals. It feels good when we have these wins. It feels good when we have these successes. So that builds momentum. That makes you want to get out and do it. So over time, you'll be amazed at how much you actually accomplish. I highly recommend writing it down. Write your wins down, because when you look back, you will truly be amazed at how much you get done. And lastly, don't forget to celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. Achieving a goal, whether it's making time for a walk or eating a healthy meal, deserves recognition. So celebrating your progress keeps you motivated. It reminds you that you're capable of doing amazing things and achieving great things in your life, right? So remember, it's not about being perfect. It's simply about making small, consistent choices that add up over time to a healthier, more energized version of you. This year, 2025, make it your goal to be kind to yourself and prioritize what truly matters in your life. Determine who you are, what you want, what you value, and try to align your goals with those 3 things. So whether it's setting achievable goals, restoring your energy, or taking time for rest, know that 2025 is the year to create sustainable habits that leave you feeling strong, healthy, and ready to take on anything. Cheers to a new year full of growth, youth, and vitality. You guys got this. Start 2025 strong. Subscribe to more tips on living your best life now.